while the work's taking place at Waterloo, it's a bit complicated if you're going from Shepperton or Kingston through to Waterloo. Normally, if you take a train from Shepperton to Waterloo, you pass through Teddington, Kingston, Norbiton and New Malden, but until the end of August, Shepperton services are going to Kingston, then reversing back through Hampton Wick and Teddington again, before going through Strawberry Hill, Twickenham and Richmond to Waterloo. Normally at Kingston there are 2 Waterloo to Waterloo roundabout services operating in each direction each hour, but these have been cancelled for most of August.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The motion is at Kingston to the 12:54 service to Shepperton. Our scheduled time arrival at Shepperton will be 13:70. Guard currently located towards the rear of this 8-coach train. I shall be walking through the train during the journey. If you need any help or assistance, please don't hesitate to ask. Safety information is displayed in all coaches. And if you see or hear anything suspicious, please tell me or another member of the staff.
This is Shackle junction between Teddington and Strawberry Hill. And now, as Stagecoach's tenure of South West Trains comes to an end, let's watch some trains over Richmond Bridge.